Welcome back. You're watching the late night news as the countries prepare for the ultimate final clash on Sunday. Some news from the FIFA World Cup. Well, the Oracle Octopus Paul has made his prediction for the finals of the 2010 World Cup. The psychic octopus has chosen Spain over Netherlands. Paul, who has got all his predictions in this World Cup so far, did not take much time to pick this time's champions. He picked up the muscle with the Spanish flag, and the finals is in Johannesburg. Earlier, he picked Germany over Uruguay to finish third. German fans have threatened to have Paul for dinner after Spain beat them in the semis. Now, with the World Cup coming towards an end, FIFA's technical study group have announced their nominees for the Golden Ball Award. David Villa and Wesley Sneijder being the favourites of the 2010 World Cup. Last year, won by France's Zinedine Zidane at Germany in 2006. Let's look at these top footers now. David Villa, top scorer at Euro 2008, is currently one of the world's hottest striking properties. Xavier Hernandez, who has pulled strings in the centre of the field for Barcelona, was voted the best player at Euro 2008. Andres Iniesta of Spain is one of the long line of gifted creative midfielders to have come off the Barcelona production line. Oranje coach Bert van Marwijk sees Wesley Sneijder as the national orchestrator of his team's attacking play. Arjen Robben, the brilliant match often fragile Bayern Munich winger, is one of the back of one of the most prolific campaigns in club football. Bastian Schweinsteiger has long since shed the tag of the up-and-coming star of German football. The sigh of relief in German football has almost audible when Mesut Ozil made the step up to international class. The spear out of the Uruguay side, Diego Forlan, is at the peak of his footballing powers and is one of the foremost strikers. In today's game, meanwhile, Asmir Gyan has sparked a new sense of life into his game over the last season and in Ghana's main attacker. As for Diego Maradona's successor, few, if any, have borne that a burden with the aplomb of Lionel Messi. Ever wondered how ever busy the Chennai Central Station looked like during our grandfather's days? Well, then get a glimpse of good old Chennai in actors Arya's Madrasapatnam, which releases today in theatres across the state. Our entertainment reporter Bertila tells us what to expect from this flick.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
A couple rowing a boat across a crystal clear Kuam. Definitely a first time for many of us. Set in the pre-independence era, the movie Madrasapattinam is sure to transport you to a different time and culture altogether. As the love story between the Dhobi wrestler boy and the British governor's daughter unveils, the audiences are kept glued to their seats as the movie picks up momentum with the independence struggle. Debuting in this movie, British model-turned-actress Amy Jackson reveals that this movie is the best that could happen to her.
Yes, definitely. I mean, I've had a most enjoyable experience over here filming Madrasapattinam, and definitely it's something that I want to continue with, especially over in India. Whether it be Bollywood, Hollywood, anything will be great for me. I had a great time here.
Art direction is the lifeline of period movies. The perfection and accuracy of art director Selva Kumar is quite evident as he chisels the backdrop of the movie frame by frame. The director of the film, known for his offbeat scripts, says the film was his dream project, but it threw up several challenges as well.
Yeah, I think it's very difficult because nothing is available, everything has to be created. So I think we had a tough time in creating the complete 1945 old Madras.
Shoot his leg!
Kaya Gavani.
I will kill every last one of you!
Legendary musician M.S. Viswanathan and actor Vikram have lent their voices to the melodious compositions of G.V. Prakash. Great music, romance and patriotism all come together as a visual treat for you in Madrasapattinam. In Chennai, Bertila, NDTV Hindu.
Well, that's a wrap on this bulletin. Keep watching NDTV Hindu for all the latest news and updates. Thanks for watching.